What's up guys? In this video, I will guide you on how to set a custom wallpaper on your Itel smartwatch. So if you want to be able to use your own photo as wallpaper for your Itel smartwatch, or just any picture or image from your phone's gallery as the wallpaper of your Itel smartwatch, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Now, first things first, you actually have to connect your phone to your Itel smartwatch. So you want to come over to your phone. You want to first of all turn on the Bluetooth, and then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Once you're done, you also want to find out the app that your Itel smartwatch uses. Mine over here uses the FitCloudPro smartwatch app, but if you do not know the app that your own Itel smartwatch use, what you can actually do is to just go over to the settings of your Itel smartwatch, and then from the settings you should be able to find the QR code. You want to go ahead and scan this QR code using the camera app on your phone, just like so. Open this up on the browser, and from here you should be able to confirm the app that your own Itel smartwatch uses. As you can see, mine is actually the FitCloudPro. If your own Itel smartwatch is using a different smartwatch app, just make sure you download and install the app of your own Itel smartwatch and you're good to go. And I'll just go ahead and make sure I download and install this app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone. Once you get the app, the next thing you want to do is to just click on the open button over here. And then you want to go ahead and set up the app. So click on the agree button at the bottom. Proceed to sign into the app if you already have an account, but if you do not have an account, just go ahead and click on no account, then enter your email address and password. Once you're done, click on the register button over here, and then proceed to fill in all of this information. And once you're done, you also want to click on the next button over here. Now click on next, and now the app is fully set up. You want to go ahead and give it permission to be able to search for nearby devices. So click on the OK button over here, then click on allow. Now it will start to look for available devices it can actually connect to. You can literally see the name of my Itel smartwatch. I'll go ahead and click on connect. Now it is trying to connect, just like so. Click on OK, and just like so, both devices are now properly connected. Now, to be able to change the wallpaper or watch face of your Itel smartwatch, you want to go over to the devices tab or sets tab or me tab. In some Itel smartwatch too, it is called the settings tab. In my case, as you can see, it is the devices tab. Go ahead and click on it, click on finish, and then you just want to give the app all of the permission it requires. So click on continue. Just go ahead and give it all of the permission it requires from over here, just like so. Click on OK. Come over to the name of your Itel smartwatch. Mine is the FitCloudPro. Turn on the allow notification access. Click on the check button over here. Click on OK, and then you want to go back to your Itel smartwatch app. Mine is over here. Just click on turn on. And at this point, for you to be able to change the wallpaper of your Itel smartwatch, you basically just want to go ahead and click on the dial library over here. So click on dial library, and then from over here you want to select the first option. Just select this one. Now click on the plus icon over here, click on select, and it should take you to your phone's gallery. Go ahead and select the picture you want. I'll use this one. Crop it whichever way you want to crop it, and then click on OK over here. And now you just want to go ahead and click on the create dial. Now it is downloading. You want to give it some few seconds, and once it is completed, you can now see that we have been able to change the wallpaper on our Itel smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.